am. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Luminous drugstore face makeup routine. So these are all products from the drugstore that are on my face and not my eyes or my brows. Those were done in another video. All of my face makeup is from the drugstore. They're all really affordable and they're all really great products. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this face makeup, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my drugstore Luminous bronzy foundation routine. So all of these products are drugstore. They're all very affordable and they all work really well. For primer today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. This is the only primer from e.l.f. that I actually like. It does feel more silicone-y and it feels so smooth on the skin. It's like still slick, goes on so nicely, and it really helps fill my pores. So I really like this, and I think this primer is only $6. So for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Luminous Makeup. To buff that out, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M439 brush. I do have a wear test on this foundation, so I will link that down below if you want to see that. For me, when I'm trying to just be quick, to blend out my foundation, I like to go in with this brush and then I will go over it with a sponge. I don't know if you can see, but it is a very glowy foundation. Cream contouring today, so I'm going to take this Wet n Wild contour stick. I have not cream contoured in forever. To blend that out, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild contour brush. Out so nicely. That's like a $3 makeup stick. I'm just gonna take this Curie Cosmetics shading brush and blend out the contour of my nose. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with my two favorite drugstore concealers, which is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer and the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I have C1 in the Makeup Revolution and Light Natural in the Catrice. So I go with the lighter concealer right on my inner corners and right on the high points, and then I highlight with the Catrice. I'm going to go ahead and get my powder ready. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in Fair Light. This is their loose setting powder. Out with my Morphe highlight and contour sponge, and then I pick up that powder on my Morphe E8 and just set right under my eyes. Up this Morphe E41 and pick up that powder and set the rest of my face. I do have combination skin. I used to have dry and then I had oily, and now it's combo oily. I do have dry patches, but I get oily throughout the day, so I do like to set my entire face with powder. You don't have to. To bronze the skin, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm going to take this Wet n Wild, I think it's the powder brush from their holiday collection. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Milani Luminoso blush. I really like this blush for summertime. It has a sheen to it. I'm going to go in with this Morphe M437. For highlighter today, I'm going to go into this e.l.f. Illuminating palette. And I am going to mix this pearly shade with this light pink shade. I'm going to go in with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Pop on some lipstick and I will be right back. For lipstick, I just popped on the Lorac Highly Pigmented lipstick in Minimalist, which is my favorite. I haven't been able to put it down. And then I just popped on this pinky shade right on the center of my lips in the e.l.f. Illuminating palette. So this is my glowy summertime drugstore face routine. All of these products are super affordable. They are all awesome products that I have used many times. I really love that foundation, but you can use any glowy foundation. There's the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. That one's a really good one. The L'Oreal Pro Glow is a really good Luminous drugstore foundation. So there are a ton of options. Also, I use the Milani Make It Last setting spray, but they also have a Make It Dewy setting spray, which I haven't tried yet, but if it's anything like this one, it's probably really good. This is the finished product. I really like how my makeup turned out. I haven't cream contoured in forever, but I really like that contour stick. It's only $3, and I think that it's a really great option for cream contouring. I really like that one. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with any products or looks you want me to try out, and if you've tried any of these products and what you think of them. I did film this eyeshadow look. This is look number 3 in my 10-part series, so I will link that down below if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.